Materials needed: some copper wire and some peacock herl. Okay, the body is made of copper wire. Now I'm going to tie it in up front and wrap it all the way back so I get it anchored well. This hook is a size 14 and it's bigger than these are generally tied so that you can see it better at home. But you generally want to tie a Brassie in a size 16 to 20. Your copper wire, don't worry about if it's too heavy because the wire will add segmentation to it, and that's what we want for the imitation of nymphs. So you just tie it on and then you wrap right in front of one another and bring it forward. Now, this copper is great because it'll add a lot of weight to your fly, and a lot of times you don't even need weight to get the fly down to the fish. But these are great little flies. If you're going to be fishing spring creeks, you got to have a bunch of these. You can probably see the copper wire creating some segments in our body here. It's very lifelike. If I had to do it over, I might even use this size larger and wire too. But that's our body. Now the head of this fly, we're going to use a single strand of peacock herl. And we take the peacock herl, we wrap it around the thread. Now we can call this herl chenille. We just take the thread in the herl and wrap it around. You make a nice little peacock head on this fly. This is a great little fly, little nymph. There we go. That's the Brassie or the copper creeper.